I look awful as if I'm doing my intro without makeup. We love that for us. It's so freaking hot in here. I cannot explain. I need to turn this radiator off. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. No makeup intro, what the hell? Basically, what I'm gonna be doing today is making myself look perfect. So I've seen these videos go around YouTube where people Photoshop their faces to make them look perfect. Well, not their faces. There's this Photoshop guru guy who like Photoshops people with this like perfect face thing and then makes them look perfect. I'm not by any means saying I look perfect or anywhere near close to perfect. I have so many things wrong with my face. It's not even funny, but individuality is key. I am going to be trying to make myself look perfect, but instead of by Photoshopping my face, I'm going to try and do it with makeup. So I'm going to try and paint that thing onto my face and then also use like the makeup techniques that like makeup artists teach you about face shapes and eye shapes and everything like that to make myself look perfect. Doubt it will work, but I thought it would be a funny idea. I'm not saying I look perfect, I'm not saying I'm anywhere near as perfect, and I'm not saying that everyone needs to look a certain way. I think everyone is made themselves for a reason and everyone is perfect in the way that they are and shouldn't want to look any different to that, but I thought it would be a fun idea to do. So that's what I'm doing. If you're excited for this video, remember to like, comment, subscribe. If you are new here, turn on my post notification bell as well, that way you don't miss any of my uploads. If you want to follow me on my social medias, they're in the description box. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. Hey! Okay, so I'm just gonna start off by moisturizing my face and doing that well how I normally would. So let's just skip through this quickly.
A bit much of that on, I'm not gonna lie.
Ew, it's my nose. That's kind of grim. Ew, I just picked my nose on camera, soz guys. Really up my nose. I'll put some primer on as well, why not? So what I'm gonna do with my foundation is just make sure that it's very full coverage, hence the whole perfect thing. Basically, I'm just gonna make it full coverage. So I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Born This Way and mix it with my Milani Conceal and Perfect. It's a bit dark for me because some of my fake tans come off, but I'm just gonna blend it down my neck. Sorry if that triggers any of you. I'm planning on wearing a high neck top today anyway, so it's alright.
Sure, Jan.
I'm quite lucky and I do have like quite good skin, so I don't really need to put that much foundation on. Like that's probably enough to like cover my whole face, but I'm gonna put on a little bit more to make myself look perfect. Like my face is so unsymmetrical.
Like it's actually impossible to make it look perfect.
But like we'll go with it. Oh, let's blend it down my neck. Hey. Oh, I should have color corrected.
But like, oh well, I forgot.
I'm gonna go with my NARS Soft Matte Concealer in the shade Canal. I bought a new one, so I know I need to highlight like a lot under my eyes, and I don't know if this is light enough. Might have to run upstairs and get a lighter one. I'm gonna do concealer and then do the highlighting with powder because I'm being kind of lazy. So I have tried to conceal those as much as possible. I don't know if they're like fully concealed. I don't know if I should cream contour or not. I might lightly cream contour, and I'm just gonna like, I'm actually just take it on my beauty blender because like then you don't get too much product. Okay, so the highlights need to be all the way in a triangle there, so I'll do that with powder, and the contours need to be just below that. So the highlights are in a triangle, contours need to be brought really high up. Same with the other side, right up here.
Maybe not like that though.
Oh, by the way, in my last video I got loads of comments about my ears being white and my face being orange. I know it's not a good look. I'm not trying to do that. Just basically, if you guys saw my ear operation video, you know that I can't put makeup on my ear at the moment because I had an operation on it, is what I'm trying to say. It's supposed to be like this, so I'm just gonna put that on my face. Okay, so I'm gonna bake my under eyes because I did put a lot of concealer on them. I'm quite excited to do this. Like I'm actually really interested to see like if this does actually like make a difference to your face, because obviously like photoshopping people's face to look like that, it's just trying to change them. By doing it like this, it's like it's still all my features. I'm just like adding makeup. I'm going to apply highlights now. I'm gonna go in with my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm gonna mix together this shade and this shade, just the two really light shades, and I'm gonna apply that under my eyes to brighten it. And I'm gonna apply that in like triangle. I haven't done this like of an intense highlighted under eye in the longest time. I don't really highlight my under eyes that much anymore. Basically, I'm just taking this like all the way out in like the triangle shape that it says on the thing. I'm gonna put that in center of my chin as well, and then I'm gonna put it in the center of my forehead in like a line. So guys, my eyes are so far from perfect. I have extremely hooded eyes. I also have astigmatism in my left eye. Some of you guys have noticed, you're like, do you have a lazy eye? It's not really a lazy eye, it's just a different shape to my other eye. So
very far from perfect.
This is the shape that I'm gonna try and create on my eye. Also, I have green eyes. So what they say for green eyes is you're supposed to use purple eyeshadows to make them pop. I'm gonna do that as well to like add to the effect, I guess. I'm gonna go with my bronzer through my crease first of all. This is just my Marc Jacobs Tantric bronzer, and I'm just gonna take that through my crease. I'm gonna bring this higher up to like stop the effect of a hooded eye. I'm also going to bring that in like the shape that it has on the eyeball, which is like sort of goes down and then out. So I'm just bringing that out like it has in the photo. And I'm bringing it down and then out. Sorry if I'm not being very talkative in this video. I'm just trying to focus because I haven't done this before. Like I haven't practiced this and I have no idea how the frig it's going to turn out. I find it really interesting how there's actually a guide for like a perfect face. Oh, it just sounds so dumb to me. Like how can a face be perfect? Like I do love watching those videos though. Sometimes they don't even look like the same person at the end of it and it's
Like what?
I just kind of want to do like a purple lid, I think. I'm going to go in with this shade from the James Charles palette, I think. This one at the bottom here. I don't know the name of it, sorry guys. And I'm just going to put that onto my eyelid first of all. I'm just going to lightly sort of like tap it on. Let me have a look at this eye shape again because I think it comes quite low. Yeah, it does. And it sort of like wings upward. Interesting. Okay, I'm going to go in with the shade which is called like Artist, I think. I'm going to take that onto my eyelid. It's like so pretty. Guys, because my eyes are quite short, that's not perfect. I'm going to apply like a wing liner to elongate them. I think I'm just going to do one eye on camera for you guys. And then I'm going to like do the other one off camera. And I'm going to go in with the darker purple shade. Then I'm going to go in with a tiny bit of like the black to sort of elongate my eye again. Just along my lash line, sort of like into the weird shape that we have going on. I'm so focusing right now, guys. Actually a bit of a joke. So I've just got a little line that I'm going to try and blend out with the purple shade. Sorry, spot. Okay, so I think that's one eye done in the perfect eye shape. I'm going to do a wing liner and stick on some little lashes and do this eye. And then I'll be back to finish off my face perfectly.
What am I doing with my life? Hey.
Okay guys, so I've done my eyes with like lashes and everything. I haven't done my brows yet, but can this chair stop squeaking? Thank you. But I feel like the eye shape that I like created is quite similar to the one in the like stencil outline photo, whatever you want to call it thing. So I'm quite proud of that, I'm not gonna lie. I'm just gonna fill my eyebrows in like, I'm gonna fill them in from the bottom because like the space between your eyelids, so like here is where I've tried to create an eyelid kind of, and your eyebrows are supposed to be like the same. So I'm gonna fill them in from the bottom to make that space a little bit smaller. I'm so excited to see how this turns out. If I look really good, then this is definitely gonna bash my confidence. I haven't seen anyone else do this video, so in YouTube terms, that means I invented it. Okay, cool. So that's my brows done. They kind of look cute though. Okay, so I'm going to finish contouring now. So I'm going to go in with my Shade and Light palette. I'm going to zoom you guys out a little bit. I'm going with my Shade and Light palette and I'm going to go in with the middle shade, which is this one right here. I'm going to mix it with a little bit of that one. And I'm just going to start like contouring. Quite high up, it's like here. It's underneath where my highlight is. Everyone hates my contour anyway, so
I'm not going to speak too much about that.
Okay, and then I'm going to do my nose contour. And let's have a look at this. I'm awful at nose contour, so this is going to be interesting. Okay, interesting. Very interesting. Me pretending like I know what I'm doing. Okay, and now I'm going to do my lower lash line and just take the purple shade under my eye. Not too far though, because I still want it to be like lifted, like the shape that it's giving at the moment. It's like quite a lifted shape. Morphe M152, really good for lower lash line. I'm so calm in this video. Wow, what is going on? I feel like some Zen master. Wow, why does my eye look so green?
Wow, it works.
What I always like to do is take black right on the very like outer corner. Really does help like lift your eyes. I'm gonna bronze a little bit. I haven't really put any bronzer on, I've just put on contour. Normally I do the opposite. I just put on bronzer and don't really contour, and everyone doesn't like it, so spray my face.
Away, lost my love in the mess we made.
I feel like I should put some highlighter on. It doesn't really give me a guide as to how much to put on. Sorry, I just burped. You can all unsubscribe if you want. Jokes, don't. I'm gonna like tap on my Amrezy highlighter.
Oh, I need to highlight my Cupid's bow as well, but it's gonna look like a moustache. I haven't waxed it yet. Oh well.
Do I need to overline them? Probably. My lips are very small. So I just filled my whole lip in with that Milani Spice lip liner. Does it look okay? I feel like it looks very uneven. So in the thing it says she highlights like the center of her lip, kind of. I highlight like the middle of my lip with this lip gloss by Dose of Colors. This is in the shade Can You Not? Oh my god, me! Guys, look what just happened to my highlighter. Guys, look, it just all fell out. And then here's the other half. All around me are familiar faces. So here I am looking perfect. I don't know if I like it. I don't know what I was expecting from this video. And I don't know what it is. I think it's the highlights that make me look different. I don't know what it is that like looks different. You know what I'm trying to say? I don't know if I'm making sense at all. I feel like I'm talking such gibberish. But yeah, that's the tea. What? Can I just say this proves something? Perfect does not exist. And perfect is not one thing, everything. All I'm saying that there's no such thing as perfect. Oh my god, I'm so inspirational. I love me. That is it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy it and you guys enjoyed seeing how it turned out, then make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're new here, turn on my post notification bell as well, and that way you don't miss any of my uploads. If you want to follow me on any of my other social medias, they're in the description box, so make sure you guys check those out as well. And if you do try to sort of do your makeup perfect, make yourself look perfect.
Oh, I hate that word.
Yeah, if you're trying to make yourself look perfect, then let me know how it goes, I guess. I mean, I don't hate it, I just don't love it. You know what I'm saying? That's it for today's video, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, love you. Mwah. Mwah.